Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are at NEWBOLD, St John, Churchyard, Chesterfield. 952823 Sergeant Walter Bailey, Royal Artillery, died 28th of March 1945, aged 25. One 591071 Sergeant Eric Davis, Air Gunner, Royal Air Force, died 2nd of March 1945, aged 19.
Eric was on board a Lancaster bomber that was part of a fighter affiliation training exercise over Ruskington. 2 Lancasters complete with a full crew and an additional passengers collided in mid-air. Both aircraft came down at Fen Farm, Ruskington. In that moment 17 men lost their lives.
2148346 Sapper James William Morris, Royal Engineers, died 31st of August 1946, aged 30. Two 591641 Private Paul Crofts, the Sherwood Foresters, died 7th of October 1946, aged 49. One 1418055 Bombardier George Alber Rodgers, died 11th of February 1947, aged 18. One 542162 Leading Aircraftman Ronald Cox, Royal Air Force, died 19th of August 1943.
A Wellington aircraft was having its engines run up on a dispersal point at Finningley Airfield when Ronald unfortunately walked into a rotating propeller. He sadly died of the injuries he sustained soon after.
One 1905 Private John William Shipley, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 17th of July 1918, aged 22. Also his brother 16969 Private Robert Henry Shipley, Royal Scots Fusiliers, died 10th of April 1920, aged 22. Two 3339 Private Richard Shipley, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 17th of September 1916. 158663 Private Edgar Pashley, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, died 6th of July 1918, aged 25. Two 2041 Private John James Webb, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 10th of March 1919, aged 21. 281721 3rd Air Mechanic W. Smith, Royal Air Force, died 4th of April 1919. 42528 Private F. Pollendine, Norfolk Regiment, died 27th of October 1918.
Wounded in the final battles of the Great War, Private Fred Pollendine of the 9th Norfolk Regiment was brought home to England. Despite surviving years on the Western Front, his injuries proved fatal, and he passed away in October 1918, just weeks before peace was declared.
18837 Private Abraham Fearn, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 8th of May 1916.
Joined the 10th Battalion, Notts and Derbyshire Regiment. After arriving in France, the division held the front lines in the southern Ypres salient. Battalion moved to relieve the 7th Lincolnshire Regiment north of the canal southeast of Ypres, where heavy enemy shelling caused severe casualties. Abraham was wounded, losing a leg and foot, and suffering other injuries. He was sent to Woolwich War Hospital in London, where he never recovered.
(22760) Private Edric William Matchett, Notts and Derby Regiment, died the 11th of April 1918, aged 36. (2054457) Lance Bombardier John Colin Dodd, 40th Searchlight Regiment, the Sherwood Foresters, died 23rd of August 1940, aged 18. (185,267) Private E Nunn, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, died 14th of August 1920.
8 soldiers were guarding a damaged aeroplane at Clunbannon near Cork when it was attacked by a very large force of rebels. The guard party was besieged for 3 hours, killing Albert and leaving 1 wounded.
70564 Private Francis Godley, Royal Army Medical Corps, died 24th of March 1919, aged 23. Flying Officer James Frederick Ollett, Navigator, Royal Canadian Air Force, died 24th of June 1944, aged 26.
James was on board a Wellington aircraft which was lost in the English Channel whilst on a patrol south of Plymouth, England. 5 of the crew were missing, believed killed. Flying Officer Ollett's body was found in a dinghy by Air Sea Rescue about a month later.
(27247) Sergeant Alwyn Stevenson, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 7th of April 1920, aged 37.